Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. It's Teresa here with a layout for the Kellybell Designs creative team. I am working on a Hollywood studio layout today from Disney. This is a 2-page hybrid pocket page from our trip in 2019. And I am working with the Hollywood Studio collection, and also the Title It Hollywood Studio Volume 1 Dine collection. So this is the layout as I've created it in Photoshop prior to printing. And just a couple of notes, you will see I have a full 6x8 photo that has been cropped after printing to fit into one 4x6 and two 3x4 photos. You will see I have used some pattern papers, some of the journal cards, and also some of the pocket cards from the Hollywood Studio collection, and I will point those out as we go along. And then I added my journaling on the computer before printing. And so I think I'm ready to jump into the process for you now. All right, so here is my plate of embellishments. These are different elements from the collection, some word art, some word flair, some of the snips. This is one of the pattern papers in the collection, and I've added a couple of buttons digitally before printing it out. This was one of the journal cards in the collection, and I just simply added my journaling before printing. This is another card base using one of the pattern papers and the film strip and the ribbons from the collection. And then a couple of the photos, we had lunch at the Backlot Express. So that is a photo of the food I had. And then I've paired the Backlot lunch layout with some of the photos from Hollywood Boulevard and Sunset Boulevard. And that's what you see over on the right-hand side. So jumping right in now, the first card I'm going to begin with is the signage for the Backlot Express. And this is the piece that's from the Title It collection or the Title It kit for this layout. And so as always, I will have product links for you down below. And there is the kit contains several of the prominent signs from restaurants around Hollywood Studio. I just simply added the sign and a couple of stars to that card. For the first 3x4 card, I've left it as it is. Lots of the journal cards in this collection, you don't even have to do anything to them. You just print them out, and they're good to slide into a pocket and enjoy them just as they are. I added the little love it word art to the food photo. And then for the 6x8 photo, something kind of funny that happened when I was designing the page, I sort of forgot that these two photos would be split apart. And I had made plans for the embellishments to go on those two 3x4 photos. So I sort of rearranged that a little bit and made it work in a way that still looks really cute. I think I just added the red star, the yellow, we give it 5 stars banner, and a little journal spot just saying how hungry we were. And then the little tag that I used for this cute little truck and the people that came, the cast members that came to perform just right there on the street. It caught my eye, and so I added a little tag and some handwritten journaling to that. I created the yellow 3x4 card and the white and red lined journal 3x4 journal card with pattern papers from the collection as well. I like to do that just to use those patterns as a nice background that also help repeat a pattern, repeat colors, and carry a theme throughout the layout. And then, of course, the turquoise sign. I love that as well. It carries that turquoise through to this side of the page as well. For the photos here, very simple theory for embellishing: a star and a word strip. That's all they need. This keeps it really simple. And then to add a few layers and visual interest, I added that to this journal card. Again, working with a pattern paper, the circle film and the ribbons are printed digitally. And then I've printed and cut the Hollywood sign. Check that out. It looks so cool. I backed it with some of the florals here in the kit and some of the stars. Taking my cue here from some of the page starters in these collections. I love the page starters. I think they're a bit large for pocket pages, perhaps. So that's kind of me making my own. And then just adding one more little detail there and calling this layout done. So I hope you've enjoyed this process of seeing how to incorporate the Title-It elements into your pocket pages. I will see you back here again real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.